Hey YouTube, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of Bose, my brand new Bose sound dock. It's pretty cool. Expensive. Best Buy, $340. Pretty good. Now if you have an MP3 player and you're thinking of buying this, don't, because it's only for iPods, iPod Touch, iPhone, and click wheel iPod models. So yeah. So enough with the talking, let's get into this thing. Got my iPod and my utility knife. Let's open this up. Looks good already. All those famous notes and subscriptions and stuff. Oh, let's see what we have here. Bose personal audio products. Fun. On the go, at work, at home. Sound like that. Our commitment to you. Thank you. So then put that in there. Manual. In 8 different languages. Pretty impressive. That is impressive. Important. Not important. Bose Corporation, USA, Italia, Italy, Canada, Japan, Mexico, Australia, Belgium, Netherlands, China, Norway, Denmark, Austria, whatever. iPod inserts and adapter compatibility. Now, here we get to the cords and the converter and yeah. Okay, so here we have a little power brick, and here we have the cord that goes into the power brick, I'm guessing. Just like that. Converter. Looks pretty simple.
James, nothing back with you. Let's check in on the other Alberta team. That would be Sheldon Surrey is about to take the drop pass and break it.
Off, volume, skip songs, play button, pause button, etc. Now, here we have some inserts and the package for the converter. Now, under here I'm guessing is the sound. Yes, it is. Yes, indeed. Oh, that is heavy stuff. That is some heavy stuff. Let's open this. That is sexy. Look at that, I can see myself. Yeah. Now all we need is my iPod to go just like that. Boom. Yeah. I hear from my friends it's good sounding, so I bought it. I guess it's worth the money. My jailbroken iPod. And I will make a video on how to jailbreak your iPod, if you're wondering. Stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.